After going through this data, the next step is graphical representation. As the data contains four parameters or factor, so we have studied that if we have only two factors or parameter, we will study the whole data by using a scale. If we have three parameters, then we can show the data in the graphical form by using a cube. And if we have four parameters, then we have to make two cubes. So one of the cube is made for the fourth level factor at a low level, and the second one is made for the fourth factor at the high level. This table is very important in order to calculate the contrast, effect, or sum of square. From the start, you have only four columns: A, this B, C, and D. By using these four columns, you have to calculate all of the rest of columns. So how you can calculate it? So in order to calculate the AB, you will have to multiply the signs of this A and B. So minus minus, plus, then plus minus, 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 plus, minus. So in this way you can see it here, that this plus plus equal to plus, minus minus again plus, plus minus minus. So in this way these two column A and B will make the sign for you people for the column AB, and this AB will you will use these sign in order to make a contrast. Let's make a contrast for the AB so that it will be clear to you people that why we are making these this whole table. So in order to make the contrast of A, first of all I will have to check this whole column A, that which of the terms, just like A, AB, AC, that which term have the positive sign and which of the term has negative sign, just like this term has a negative sign associated with it. So first of all I will write those terms that have a positive sign. So let's start. Please make sure that out of these 16 readings, 8 reading must have positive signs. You can see A, AB, AC, ABC, AD, ABD, ACD, and ABCD. These 8 terms have the positive sign. So let's write them. So you will write in this way: A plus AB plus AC plus ABC plus AD. Sorry, it's AD plus ABD plus ACD and plus ABCD. So these are the 8 terms. Then put the minus sign, again bracket. Then write the terms that have a minus sign, just like 1B. Right there, 1 plus B plus, because all of these terms have a minus sign associated with them, just like this. I have taken the minus sign from all of them and added there as a common. So 1B, then C. Please do not write this bracket this by mistake. Okay, so just write only B. B, C, then plus BC plus D plus BD plus CD plus I have BCD. So let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, now there are 8 terms. After this, I see that in front of this one I have 45, but with this one, for the effect of A, we have minus sign. So you write it 45 here in place of 1, and there will be a minus sign outside of this bracket. Then we have the second term A. The value associated with the A is 71, but the A has a sign of positive, for the calculation of contrast of A. So I will write here 71, then plus. For the second term B, there is a negative sign, so it will come here with the negative one, and I will write the B value equal to 48. In this way, I will have to write all of these values. 7 values are left here and 6 values are left here. Just like we say for A, B, C, D, we have a plus sign. So I will write here 96. After putting all of these values, you will have to calculate by using the calculator, and you will get the contrast of A. So after calculating, let me calculate this value, and so the contrast of A is equal to 21.625. Now we will use this contrast value for the computation of two things. One of them is sum of square and the second one is effect of A. So first of all, I will calculate the effect of A. So I will write here effect of A. Now what's the method of finding the effect of A? Just is one thing. I write here effect of A because I haven't any space left, so just put a line underneath these 8 observation and a line underneath these 8 observation. So I have 8 observation. I have to calculate the mean, so I will divide it by 8 here and 8 here. We have only one replication, so 8 multiplied by 1 and 8 multiplied by 1. In case I have 2 replication, then I will have to write here 2. So now this is formula for the effect of A. So in short, that you can calculate the contrast of A, you can calculate the effect of A using the contrast of A. This is the second thing. Now the third thing is sum of square. I write here S dot S, sum of square is equal to, the formula is contrast, so the contrast of A whole square divided by, now here is 18, you will write there 16 n is the again number of replications. So I have the contrast is equal to 21.625. You will have to take the whole square and divide it by 16, and now you will get the result for the sum of square. Let me calculate it, and it is comes out to be 1870.56. Let's discuss all of other effects and contrast in the upcoming video. Thanks for watching it.